When it comes to digitizing your 35mm slides and film, either at your premises or at our studios in Northamptonshire, you're in safe hands with TownsWeb Archiving. We offer a personal collection and return service, and whilst they are with us, they will be contained within a safe, secure, environmental and humidity-controlled archive store. Our imaging technicians have undergone extensive training in safe handling procedures, such as our white glove approach, mitigating the risk of any damage. To ensure the highest quality, we professionally assess each and every item for pre-existing damage or deterioration. Using a bulb blower or compressed air blower, we also carefully clean each slide for any dust or dirt, guaranteeing the clearest possible capture. In order to deliver the best balance, high-resolution images of a consistently high quality, we use flatbed scanners and scan to a resolution of 4000 ppi or above. In line with the National Archives Digitisation guidance, we provide your digitized images in all common file formats, ready for any purpose, whether that be safekeeping, the web, printing, preservation, or any other use. Maintaining color integrity is vital for high-quality results. We use a color key to calibrate the image capture device and capture to either 24-bit color or 8-bit grayscale. This provides suitable production of photographic prints and minimizes the likelihood of any distortion appearing within the image. And to ensure perfectly cropped scans, our technicians always perform an initial preview scan of any slide or film, setting the crop areas manually. Your requirements and goals will be individual to your organization. At the final stage, your digitized material is thoroughly quality assessed, securely stored, and sent to you by track delivery. Find out more on our website or get in touch today. Your precious material is in safe hands with TownsWeb Archiving.